Team flights are used in team competitions to separate the playing field for the following reasons: to organize the tee sheet by flight so that teams will only be grouped with other teams in the same flight, and to separate tournament competitions by flight so that teams will only compete with other teams within their flight. Before creating flights, go to Event, Event Profile, General Settings tab, and make sure the event is using multiple flights. You can create flights at two different levels. Event or league level flights are used for the entire event or league. In most cases, these will be the flights you'll need to create. The lesser used flight level would be round level flights. These level of flights are only used for a specific round. An example would be a weekly league that plays a different format every week. In one round, flights are needed for the competition being played in that week. In this case, round level flights will need to be created for that round so that they don't affect the other rounds in the league. To create event or league level flights, go to Golfers, Event Divisions Flights Teams. To create round level flights, go to the Rounds menu, select the round, then Round Divisions Flights and Teams. After creating your teams on the Divisions Flights and Teams page, you can flight them by going to Manage Flights by Team. You can autofill flights using a variety of options. After entering the number of teams per flight or the total number of flights to be created, you can generate flights using a few different methods. In most cases, you will use the team's combined handicap index or course handicap. If you have a past round with tournament results, you can also create team flights using those past results. If two or more teams have the same value when autofilling flights using any of the available methods, you can select a primary tie-breaking method and even a secondary tie-breaking method to firmly establish flights using specific parameters. Popular tie-breaking methods include using the lowest handicap index or course handicap of any player on each team. Another popular tie-breaking method is using the member's handicap index or course handicap. The members consider the player on the team who was added to the event first. This is often used for member guest invitationals. After selecting an autofill method and the desired number of flights, click Next. Review and edit the flight names and sizes if necessary, and click Next to generate the flights. You can also create flights manually instead of autofilling. To do this, select the option to create flights manually, name the first flight, click Next, select the teams to be included in the flight, click Save, and the flight will be created. Click Add New Flight, and repeat these steps for any remaining flights. Regardless of the method used to create team flights, you can always edit the flight names and delete flights. You can also edit the membership of the flights. If you've autofilled flights using certain parameters and changes have been made to the player roster that affects the flights, you can refill the flights using the same parameters. The updated flights will then reflect the changes. Thanks for watching this video. For more help with using Golf Genius, click the help icon to check out our knowledge base.